Sugar wax natural and skin-friendly, made from sugar, lemon, and water, gentle on sensitive skin. Doesn't stick to live skin cells, reducing irritation. Used at room temperature, preventing burns. Hard wax beans, no strips needed, adheres only to hair, minimizing pain and skin damage. Works well on coarse hair like the bikini area. Less messy than traditional wax, making cleanup easier. Charcoal wax detoxifying and deep cleansing, absorbs oil and impurities while removing hair. Prevent ingrown hairs by unclogging pores. Ideal acne-prone or oily skin types. Fruit wax enriched with natural extracts infused with fruit enzymes like papaya to naturally exfoliate. Gentle and nourishing, suitable for dry or sensitive skin. Contains antioxidants that help skin repair. Wax strips with aloe vera, soothing and convenient. Pre-loaded strips make at-home waxing easy and mess-free. Aloe vera reduce redness and irritation post-wax. Great for quick touch-ups on legs and arms. Honey wax, anti-inflammatory and antibacterial. Naturally antibacterial, reducing the risk of infections. Sticky texture, effective hair removal with fewer passes. Hydrating properties, help keep the skin soft. Gel wax, flexible and transparent for precision. Ideal for small areas like eyebrows and upper lip. Transparent formula helps with precise application. Works well for beginners due to its easy handling. Chocolate wax, moisturizing and anti-aging. Contains cocoa, which is rich in antioxidants. Provides intense hydration, preventing post-wax dryness. Less painful than traditional wax due to its creamy texture. Cold wax, no heating required, perfect for travel and quick applications. Reduces the risk of burns from overheated wax. Works best on fine to medium hair textures. Rose wax, calming and aromatherapeutic, infused with rose oil, known for its soothing properties. Reduces redness and inflammation, ideal for sensitive skin. Leaves a pleasant floral scent after waxing. CBD infused wax reduces pain and inflammation. Contains CBD, which has natural anti-inflammatory properties. Calm, irritated skin post-waxing. Suitable for those with skin conditions like eczema. Roll-on wax, easy application for large areas. Comes in a cartridge, making waxing faster and less messy. Provides even distribution, reducing patchy results. Ideal for legs, arms, and back. Vegan wax, plant-based and cruelty-free. Free from beeswax and animal-derived ingredients. Ideal for ethical consumers looking for sustainable options. Contains nourishing plant oils for extra hydration. Titanium dioxide wax reduces skin irritation. Designed for hypersensitive skin prone to reactions. Titanium dioxide reduces stickiness, making removal gentler. Prevents skin lifting and bruising. Water-soluble wax, easy cleanup and eco-friendly. Washes off easily with water, leaving no sticky residue. Free from harsh chemicals, making it safe for all skin types. Often used in professional spas for a clean finish. Thanks. Don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more.